this program has been the most authentic program that I've experienced in terms of coaching and acceleration.
The accelerator is being run by very experienced founders who've built companies from the ground up, and sometimes all the way to the unicorn level.
It's a program that is very centered on solving Africa's biggest problems. And so we feel extremely privileged to be part of this cohort.
It was important that we came together to start the accelerator program, and it created a bond, not only a bond, but it created relationships that helped us build for the next 8 months towards delivering the product that we continue to offer our customers into the future.
I've learned a lot from the different advisors, and they had a wide range of advisors, right, across different sectors who've accomplished different things.
These advisors are very hands-on. They want to see you succeed as much as they want to succeed themselves.
The key thing was practical advice. Everything that they told us, for me, it almost seemed like they have been building the company with me. After this very great advice, they followed on with ensuring that we actually had the right amount of information and putting us through to the right channels to actually go out and execute on the advice that they gave us.
The number of business leaders that we've spoken to, we've engaged with in this short period of time has been mind-blowing. The clarity it has given our business, it has let us know where to go from our dreaming stage and what we need to do to get to that $1 million business that we're building, how to build sustainably, how to be giants in the future. So we have that confidence and that clarity of what needs to be done to get us from A to B as a result of this program.
Before the program, I remember we did not really have vision. We had our tech figured out for sure, but it was difficult to find the right way to sell, our solution. And that's one thing we have gotten right thanks to Accelerate Africa.
We were at a point where we were trying to launch our products, and getting the expert advice of the advisors on how to launch products, how to build products, how to change our perspectives on what we're building has been super helpful for us.
Our company has benefited from the strategy and advice to develop an enterprise growth plan.
Accelerate Africa helped us to shape our vision and pivot our perspective in a way where we should adapt the market needs and reach a very optimum product market fit.
Now we have a clear line of sight on what's possible with an enterprise strategy.
Well, one of the things that we've actually learned is the art of building scalable businesses for this market, which has been very invaluable for me as a founder of a climate tech company in Africa.
Accelerate Africa helped us to take the right decisions in very major topics, such as onboarding process, white labeling offering, and the data privacy, and many other issues.
As an entrepreneur, they've trained me on how to think bigger and how to go for bigger opportunities by firstly learning how to believe in myself, and secondly in terms of business development. The most important thing about this accelerator have helped me to understand that to build a very successful business, I need to think about strategic partnerships.
One thing that has struck me personally is the experience and understanding I've gained from the weekly fireside chats we've had with some incredible personalities in the tech ecosystem, very interesting people with excellent experience, and I appreciate Accelerate Africa for that.
Going through the journey and seeing how people have solved problems gave me a better perspective to how we were going to solve problems too.
So Accelerate Africa helped us to take our storytelling capabilities to the next level, where we just entered the program with a very complex and detailed investor presentation. And with the help of the advisors, we added the flavor of sales to the slides and the presentation, and then created a very informative and simple presentation that would tackle the market needs and the audience.
Our experience at Accelerate Africa has given us a greater sense of self, in the sense that we see ourselves on a higher level, right? Understanding that we are truly building something that is indeed unique. And as such, we should see ourselves as unique founders as well.
It is this kind of mindset as an entrepreneur that you need to have to be able to build a successful business, to never give up, to believe in your vision, and to work very hard. And those are some of the lessons that I've learned from many of the advisors into this program.
I've also learned to network. I've met other founders who share the same dreams with me, and it has also forged more business connections.
I learned a lot from the founders in my cohorts, people who are from diverse backgrounds, who have very varying views and perspectives, and have accomplished amazing things in their own rights.
We feel extremely fortunate to have been part of this group.
So it's been quite interesting and very insightful.
It's been, all in all, a fantastic experience.